Xbox.
This video will show you how to replace the battery on a Latitude ST tablet. Check the link in the description below to find parts for this tablet. PartsPeople.com offers 5% off to do-it-yourselfers with this coupon code. Press the latch and remove the bottom door. Remove the screws. Press the latch and remove the bottom base. Remove the screws. Unplug the cable. Remove the battery. If you need to find the part, check out the link in the video description and let's get started with the installation. Replace the battery. Plug in the cable. Replace the screws. Replace the bottom base. Replace the screws. Replace the bottom door. Check out some of the other Latitude ST tutorials. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out PartsPeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.